Hey, I know you expect Brianna here, but I guess I took over right now. Brianna's not here right now. Something happened to her, or happened. Well, I don't know where she is now. Hmm. So, anyone heard about the weather?
Oh my gosh, Haley. Oh my gosh. I just got shot. Uh,
Is anyone a doctor out there? Well, I'm just gonna go on with the show. The show must go on without you. Okay. Well, bikinis wear pineapples. Wait, that came out wrong. Get away! Okay, please, can we get a doctor out there?
no, hit me in the face. Slap me.
I'm the zombie killer.
You didn't hit me.
Oh my god, it's a zombie killer! Whoa, what just happened? It's a zombie killer!
These crackers.
She's killing Brianna with crackers! Ah! It's a Laurel!
Get out.
No, wait, Laurel.
Poor Brianna. We never know what will happen to her.
Stop it, Laurel.
Oh well, the show must go on.